If you need to export an MP3 file from DaVinci Resolve, here's a simple way to do it. First, make sure your audio track is ready in the timeline. Now, go to the Deliver page by clicking the rocket icon at the bottom. Instead of choosing a custom export preset, scroll to the right and select Audio Only. Next, choose a name for your file and click the Browse button to select the export location. Below that, you will see 3 tabs: Video, Audio, and File. In the Video section, make sure the video export option is turned off. Then, move over to the Audio tab. In the Format drop-down, select MP3. The codec will automatically be set to MP3, so no changes are needed. For the best quality, keep the bitrate at 320 kilobits per second. Now, choose which part of the audio you want to export. Under Output Track, you can export the full audio mix, a specific timeline track, or all tracks separately. If you only need one track, select Timeline Track and choose the one you want. Once everything is set, click Add to Render Queue. Finally, hit Render All, and after the process is complete, you'll have a high-quality MP3 file ready to use.